Babe, I love you.
That's the usual way to say it. Pero pag in-extrahan, ganito.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo lang walang iba. Ibibigay buong buo at higit pa.
In-extrahan! Just like McSaver's Sulit Busog Meals. In-extrahan sa sulit, 99 pesos lang. In-extrahan sa busog with the extra rice.
Get extra without paying extra with McSaver Sulit Busog. Terms and conditions apply. Promo runs from January 3 to April 16, 2026. Per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTB 244368 series of 2025.
Basta si Chene Calor,
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
na Calor, tapensa ko sa el, kung cuidaw a se bueno.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic. Most doctor prescribe sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, wag nang magdalawang isip.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang, may bagong Revicon, ang Strongman's Multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Revicon Forte, may palagakas mo.
Gusto mo bang palaguin ng negosyo mo? Dagdag puhunan, bagong supplies, o additional stores? Gawin nating posible yan with BDO Multi-Purpose Loan. Apply now and enjoy waived loan fees of up to 30,000 pesos. That's more savings you can put straight back into your business. Visit any BDO branch today. Promo runs from March 1 to October 31, 2026. BDO. We find ways. Terms and conditions apply per DTI permit number 249820 series of 2026. BDO is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Tatak RMN.
Hayayo. Por eso, ready tayo man. Goodbye to the ones I love. Bye, anak! Hugaan na yun kundi may mga apo! Adios, mga kumare! Manunay ayo ko con ustedes!
Enjoy Alvida, si pwede man buy na agay with Skilan. Epektibo kontra na agay. Iyang panacorazon hasta na bolsa. 950 lang ang SRP. Naproxen sodium is a generic name of Skilan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Unilab yan.
Goodbye to me, bansa. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, bansa. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS. Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng pating virus, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses
Sa
Association.
sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.